So you guys bring home your brand spanking new puppy and you're so excited. But where do you begin? What now? This is what I recommend training first, is marking words. So basically I use yes. Yes means treats are coming. Yes means exactly what we want. So what I like to do is just walk around. Whenever she comes, treat, yes. Yes, treat. Yes, treat. Yes, treat. And she thinks every time you say yes, a treat's coming. Ready? Yes. Treat. Good. Even these are too big for her. Yes. Treat. Very simple. Yes. Yes. Treat. Right now we're starting to shape the sit too. Yes. Good. Yes. Good. Come. Juju. Juju. Yes. Good girl. So now, whenever you start implementing everything else, like place, like lie down, like stay, now every time you say yes, it means to her, that's exactly what I like. That's exactly what we want. And that earns a reward.